Hello and welcome to this new video of concept of the day. Hopefully you're learning a concept every now and then because these concepts make your foundation of your knowledge, right? And we are really having lots and lots of free time. And that's why this dude here, he wants to have a pizza, and you can see that at the first slice of pizza his utility, that's what is utility we are going to learn in a bit, but still his utility, his satisfaction, his want to have that pizza is extremely high, right? And he's thinking that this is the best pizza he has ever had, right? And at the ninth pizza, oh my god, his utility is gonna be extremely low because he's gonna be so full, and he has to be stopped, otherwise he's gonna bust, right? And that's it. That's what is all about utility. So what is utility? Utility is the usefulness or the capacity of satisfying your want. Okay, this is the capacity of that particular thing, particular action. So it is the capacity to satisfy the wants or wishes, and that's the utility, that's the usefulness for you, right? And that's how we get utility in every aspect of life. That means even if I have my laptop with you, I'm getting utility out of my laptop by doing this videos, by making presentations, right? So if I want to have anything that gives me satisfaction, I'm getting utility out of it. But still, utility and satisfaction are not the same thing. Okay, so what is marginal utility that we are going to learn today as a concept? So it is marginal utility. That means the difference between difference of the usefulness, difference of the utility between the two consecutive consumptions of the things, of the same homogeneous things. Okay, so if I want if I want to take the same example of pizza slices. First pizza slice, extremely high utility. Then second one, it will give me moderate high utility, right? It will be so let's take example like for first pizza slice, I'll get 10 ranking as a utility, not rank, 10 points as a utility. Okay, maybe from second I'll get 8, from third I'll get 5. Okay, and from fourth I'll get 1. That means the difference between first and second, that is 2, will be my first marginal utility, that is mu2. The difference between 8 and 5, that will be my second marginal utility, right? That is 3. And here if you can see, it's 5 minus 1, that is 1. That means all these differences between the total utilities, they will become my marginal utility. So for second marginal utility or mu2, my marginal utility 2 will be 2. My marginal utility 3 will be difference between 8 and 5, and that will be 3. My marginal utility will be difference between my third and fourth commodity, which is giving me utility 5 and 1 respectively, and their difference is 4. That's why marginal utility 4 will be 4. So that is the difference between the total utilities of the consecutive consumptions. Hmm? So that's how we can say that marginal utility goes on decreasing as we increase our consumption. As a consumer, if we are rational consumer, we have rational brain thinkings to maximize our utility, then we can say that as long as we are consuming the same homogeneous commodity again and again without time intervals, our marginal utility will increase a bit, and then it will decrease. Okay, and that's the law. So till the point of satiety or the satisfaction or most utmost satisfaction, our marginal utility will be increasing. But after we reach that point, our marginal utility will become zero, and then it will become negative. Think about this ninth slice. It's gonna give him diarrhea, right? It's hard to survive after eating 9 slices of pizzas for the next 2 3 hours or for next 2 3 days. That means it's gonna be very hard for him. That is dissatisfaction. Let's know the word or term dissatisfaction. So whenever marginal utility decreases, it gives us dissatisfaction. So that this was a little bit just poking around marginal utility. It has lots and lots of implications, and the law of diminishing marginal utility was given by the famous economist Marshall, and it's really a lot to go through and very interesting to go through. Please don't forget to go through it. Okay. Until then, have a very nice day ahead. Please take care of yourself. Okay. And we'll meet soon with the new concept of the day. Bye bye. Have a nice day ahead.